Hello guys, I've come away tonight to do a review. I've been sent another good quality product for review, and this time we're having a look at the WY292 camping lantern. I got sent this 2 or 3 weeks ago, so I thought I'd bring it out tonight while it was dark, which is a good thing to do for a light. So let's crack it open and have a look. Nice bit of bubble wrap there, nicely wrapped up. First of all, you think, what is it? It's pretty good. I'm quite impressed with this. It's got a magnetic base there. It's got 2 folding up handles as well there, so you can hang it up. Like I say, it's got the magnetic there as well, so I'm probably going to use this in the awning actually, because you can stick it to the side of the van. It's also got another hook there in the base that you can hang it up that way as well. And I like this. I think it's cracking. And to turn it on and off, which I think was a brilliant idea, you just pull it up like so, and that's it. and that's really bright. Let's turn all the lights off. Right, that's all the lights off. So if I put that there, that is a fantastic little light. I'm really impressed with that. It lights everything up in here. I'm not actually 100% sure that these batteries are actually fully charged either. I just grabbed 3 batteries because it didn't come supplied with batteries. It's really good. I'm very impressed with that. What? Let's see what. Let's push it down. As you can see, can't see a damn thing. There it is, back on again. You could hang that up in your tent, or anything like that. There's not a lot else I can show you really, but it's quite firm as well. It's not all loose and floppy, so it's quite a substantial push. It's not all. It doesn't feel all cheap and plasticky. You know, it actually feels very solid. I'm very impressed with it. I think that's a cracking little light. That is. If you're after a nice camping light, I highly recommend these. I think they're really good. That's it really. It just you just pull it on and push it off, and that's it. You know, I mean, I've got to reasonably pull it. I mean, to dim it, I suppose you could just, you know, just do that if you only want a little bit of light. Because they're only LEDs, they're hardly going to use any power at all. So if you only want a little bit of light, you could just sort of, you could do that maybe. Just gives you a small amount of light. Obviously, if you want a lot of light, you can just open it up full like that. I'm very impressed with that. That's very good. So thank you for sending me these for this one to review, and I'm very impressed. If you're interested in an LED light and would like to get yourself one of these cracking little lights, then check out the link in the description below. So thanks for watching guys, hope that was useful to somebody. Hope you enjoy the light, and see you next vid.